Jumbo, this guy. We'll let him go. Missed him. Hey, how's it guys? Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, please like and subscribe. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for your support. Launched pretty late, 6:37. I wasn't planning on trying to catch a cooler. So I'm trying to time the sunrise to catch some opelu, but still started a little bit too late. The winds should be around 10 to 12 knots, and the gust would be like 14 to 18 knots. So definitely not the ideal days that I go out on, but because I got these guys, a day like this should not be too bad, right? But let's see what's gonna happen today. Thank God for another beautiful morning we have. Hope you have a great week. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's try something. Gonna cut up some of this guy, put it on the hooks, and see what we can catch. Alright, got the bait on. Got some marks down there. We're gonna wait to reach that line where there's a bunch of them. See them? Right down there. Alright, so we put some bait on the drum machine. Guarantee you're gonna catch something, watch. Guarantee. This way. Yep. Alright, we'll let others catch on. That's one. There's 4 hooks on that thing, so I'm pretty sure it's triggerfish. Oh, he came off. Oh, there you go. There you go. Let's see who it is. And we got dinner. Got something for mama. Come up. Come up. Ooh, nice size pupil. That's a whole school, so it won't drop again. Now we know what's down there. Let's go back. Alright, here we go. Right on them. Oh, got him. Yes, sir. Let's see what this guy is. Looks like triggerfish. Right on the drop. Don't really like these guys, so I'm gonna let this guy go. You get to see some different species here. Look at those teeth. Alright, if you let my some noise, bro. Beautiful fish, huh? Nice colors. Awesome. See you guys. Alright, park down there. Wind is picking up. Trigger fish. That one too. Oh, what was that? He came off just as we put him up. Well, I can't tell what it was, but we'll go with something else too. GoPro died, but look at the size of this triggerfish. It's huge. Size 12, look at that. Jumbo, this guy. We'll let him go. Super strong wind right now. But kayak handles good. And got me out. That's why we got him. Alright guys, with the outriggers on, I can stand. I'm standing on the kayak right now. So that's pretty cool, yeah. Because the kayak's so balanced right now, you can just stand on it.